All right, we're going to get right in here and get into Vector Ink. So this is Vector Ink, and I'll show you some of the features and how you can get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is import the template, which I have here. You can download that right at the Canvas page, and we're going to change the size of our canvas here. So we're going to go like 1500 by I don't know, like 1000. And it's still a little small, so we can do one of two things. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select our original file here, if it lets me. Okay, and we're just going to scale it down so that we can fit it in here. And you can see it's kind of like stretched. We don't want it to be stretched like that. We can make it a little bigger so we can all see it there. Okay, so there's that. Couple of features over here. Your shape tool. This allows you to change the shape. If you double click it, you have different shapes. So if I wanted this, I just click, boop, and click one of these in. If I hold down Shift, it'll keep that the exact size. There's a hidden one here that I kind of want to get rid of. But there's that shape. And then you have your pen tool. So this allows you to do a couple things. We can delete things by clicking the trash can. So if I used my pen tool and I made a little line here, maybe a triangle, we can connect it. I would select the whole thing by clicking on the select tool, and then I don't want it, so I delete. This is black right now, so it would be cut, and it looks like the inside is black here. Okay, so we have that. We can also change. We can also add text. So let's just write the word book. Great, we'll just leave that like that. Now the thing about text is right now it will not import as text. It won't actually import at all. What we can do is select our text here, and let's just make that difference. So now that it's going to engrave or score, what we need to do is we need to click on the text item here and then convert it to a path. So now this text, you can see that it's outlined. Now we can use it and it'll import correctly. So with that, and you could always import more images or whatever. Now what we would do is we would, let's say this is ready to go, we would export, and actually don't click export because this is just going to allow you to do two types, PNG and JPEG. That's not what we want. We actually want to export as an SVG. So we export as an SVG, it downloads it for you. And now we can go in here. This is the part that we would do, and I have it, and you'll see how it imports in. There we go. And you can see we have this, we have that, and we have that, so that we can engrave this part, right? And we can cut this part, and now things are looking like we're ready to go. All right, that's how you do it. Good luck.